Today, we will be going over how to set up two-factor authentication on your web browser. First, make sure you have logged in into your Gmail app on your mobile device. Once logged in your Gmail account on your desktop, this notification should appear.
If not, click on your picture or the City of Oxnard logo and click Manage Your Accounts.
Security. Scroll down and click on two-step verification. Now click Get Started. Sign in with your credentials. And once signed in, you should see mobile devices that you have synced with your Google account. Now click Try It Now. A notification should appear on your mobile device and click Yes. After you have done that, backup codes will be generated and you should either print or download them and store them somewhere separate from your Gmail account. Click Next. I have my codes and turn on.
Congratulations, your two-step verification is now set up through your Chrome browser. For any issues, please call extension 7777. Thank you and have a good day.